Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing Clever AI Studio, the world's first AI marketing agent that learns your business from just one URL. Its core promise? To create everything you need to grow your business, from ads to content, instantly. Clever AI Studio comes packed with some incredible features. It learns your business in just 60 seconds by scanning your website. Plus, it creates tailored, publish-ready content across 300-plus marketing skills without the need for endless prompting or data feeding. And it operates 24/7, like a marketing team that never sleeps. So, what does this mean for you? It means no more wasting time and money on multiple AI tools or freelancers. You'll get optimized, tailored content that matches your brand voice, helping you combat burnout and complexity in your marketing efforts. And the best part? When you buy through my link, you get these exclusive bonuses. First up, we have the AI Kickstart Guide, which helps you quickly generate tailored content without the steep learning curve. Then there's the Conversion Copy Cheat Sheet, ensuring your content not only meets brand standards but also drives conversions. Next is the Brand Voice Blueprint, which clarifies your unique style and reduces generic outputs. Don't forget the Content Calendar Creator to keep your marketing efforts organized and timely. Lastly, the AI Content Masterclass offers expert insights to accelerate your results.
Let's be honest. Are you tired of using AI tools that know nothing about your business? ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, Canva for designs, and still getting generic outputs that don't convert? Instead of saving time and money, AI is eating it up. Because every tool needs you to start from scratch, explain your business again and again, and manually fix everything before it's usable. You're paying $500 to $1,000 every month on AI tools that still don't know your brand, your audience, or your offers. You're stuck re-explaining your business to every AI tool, pasting context, tweaking prompts, trying again and again. You're burning hours training AI tools manually, only to get generic outputs that sound like they were written for someone else's business. And worst of all, nothing is connected. Your copy doesn't match your ads, your videos don't match your brand, and every output feels robotic and off-brand. And after all this effort, what do you get? Generic content that fails to generate leads or sales because it doesn't speak your customer's language. AI was supposed to simplify business. But without an AI that actually understands your business, it only creates more complexity, burnout, and disappointment. And don't just take my word for it. Here's what real users are saying online. This isn't just a minor frustration, it's costing you. Profits lost on poor conversions. Time wasted on endless fixes. Motivation crushed by generic outputs. And while you're stuck babysitting generic AI tools, your competitors are deploying AI agents that already know their business, capturing leads, sales, and growth. What if there was a smarter way? What if instead of teaching AI about your business every single time, you just gave it one URL and it instantly became your personal AI marketing agent? Meet Clever AI Studio, the world's first personal AI marketing agent that trains on your business via a single URL and replaces your entire marketing workflow. Clever AI Studio trains itself on your business from just one URL, your website, a landing page, even a competitor's site, then deploys 300+ AI agents to create exactly what you need in seconds. It's as easy as train, deploy, profit, train. Paste one URL, your website, landing page, or even a competitor's site. Your AI agent scans it and instantly learns your brand, offers, and audience. Deploy. Pick from 300+ AI-powered agents, content writers, ad creators, video makers, voiceover artists, designers, chatbots, and more, all pre-trained on your business. Profit. Get instant, personalized, business-ready outputs tailored to your brand. 10 times faster and more accurate than any generic AI tool. Inside Clever AI Studio, you're unlocking a complete AI agent toolkit. Every agent pre-trained on your business. Video agent. Create HD videos, shorts, reels, and animated content, all branded to your business. Voiceover agent. Clone voices, add emotions, and create studio-quality narrations in 2,000+ styles. Design agent. Generate logos, ads, graphics, and branding materials that match your brand identity. Copy agent. Write blogs, sales pages, ads, emails, product descriptions, all in your brand voice, high converting and SEO optimized. Automation and chatbot agents. Capture leads, close sales, and deliver 24/7 support trained on your products and FAQs. Interior design agent. Redesign rooms, stage real estate, and plan makeovers in seconds, and so much more. Clever AI Studio gives you 300+ AI agents, all trained on your business and working together under one roof, one URL. That's all your AI agent needs to replace your entire marketing workflow. Don't just take my word for it. Thousands of creators, freelancers, and business owners are already deploying their personal AI agents with Clever AI Studio. From coaches generating leads, to freelancers scaling services, to agencies running client campaigns, these AI agents are fueling growth everywhere. Here's what takes Clever AI Studio from great AI agent to business machine: the exclusive commercial license. That means everything your AI agent creates, videos, voiceovers, graphics, blogs, sales copy, chatbots, is yours to sell. Keep 100% of the profits. No revenue sharing, no API costs, no hidden fees, no upsells to unlock rights. Train your agent on a client's URL, deliver DFY content and creative services, launch a micro-agency, or add automation retainers. Clever AI Studio turns one URL into a sellable service overnight. Wait, here is the juicy part. Unlock exclusive Clever AI Studio launch-only rewards worth $7,447 for free. We want to make sure that when you deploy your personal AI agent today, you're not just getting access to the world's most powerful AI marketing platform. You're also walking away with everything you need to start profiting immediately. That's why we're including these exclusive launch bonuses for free. Here's the kicker. While other AI tools cost you $300 to $500 per month and still don't know your business, Clever AI Studio gives you a fully trained personal AI agent for a tiny one-time fee. That's right. Here's your total cost with multiple AI tools: $300 to $500 per month. That's $3,600 to $6,000 plus per year. While your cost with Clever AI Studio will be $0 per month, one time for lifetime access to your personal AI agent. That's an instant savings of $3,573 plus every single year. No monthly fees, no API costs, no hidden charges. Pay once and unlock unlimited access forever. But this special launch deal won't last. Once the timer hits 0, prices go up, and you'll never see this again. So, here are your two choices. Keep wasting money on generic AI tools that don't know your business, or deploy your personal AI agent today, trained on your business, ready to replace your entire marketing workflow. If you are still not sure if Clever AI Studio will work for you or not, don't worry, your investment is 100% risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try Clever AI Studio for a full 30 days, completely risk-free. If at any point you feel like Clever AI Studio didn't deliver, if you think it wasn't worth every penny, or if it simply isn't for you, just drop us a quick message. We'll refund 100% of your money instantly. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss your only chance to deploy. Clever AI Studio, the world's first personal AI marketing agent that trains on your business via one URL and deploys 300+ AI agents for copywriting, content, videos, voiceovers, design, chatbots, automation, SEO, and more. With Clever AI Studio, you get a personal AI agent that trains on your business via one URL and instantly delivers business-ready results exclusively tailored for your brand. Finally, you've got a personal AI agent that replaces every AI tool you're currently paying for, and it already knows your business. Don't miss this launch offer for anything. Click the button below. Deploy your personal AI agent now.
Remember, there's limited availability and early bird pricing, so don't miss out. And keep in mind that there are great upgrades available, like Clever AI Studio Max, Clever AI Studio Unlimited, Clever AI Studio VSL Creator, and Clever AI Studio Job Finder. Click the link below to secure your access and take your marketing to the next level.